Hey guys, let's get started with a 5-number summary. What is a 5-number summary and how to calculate that 5-number summary, right? Let's get started with the 5-number summary. So first we are calculating the in a 5-number summary we are calculating the first one is a minimum value, then is a first quartile, third one is a median, fourth one is a third quartile, and fifth one is a maximum value, right? That will how we will be calculate that all of the values. So let's get started with the example. We have a data set. There is a 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, and 6, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, and 9. That we have a actually, and another is a 27 as well, right? Is a for the extreme value, so consider that as well. That we have that all data sets. So we will first start with the what is a we is a n number. N number is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. The value of n is a 19. So how many set of how many data are available is the 19th n value, right? So what is the let's we are consider with a lower fence and how to calculate the lower fence and higher fence, right? So is a lower fence formula of the lower fence is equal to quartile 1 minus 1.5 IQR, right? And higher fence is equal to quartile 3 plus 1.5 IQR. So we are calculating that segment first. So first we need a value of quartile 1. What is the value of quartile 1, right? So we see the formula for that, जो कि formula is the value of quartile first quartile, right, is equal to percentile divided by 100 into n plus 1. So what is the percentile first quartile? What is the percentile of first quartile? Is nothing but 25 divided by 100 into 20. So it is the final answer is the fifth position, right? Fifth position. So what is the fifth position? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is your first quartile. Your 3 is equal to fifth position. It's in a 3 is a first quartile, right? And so let's see the third quartile value of third quartile is a percentile divided by 100 into n plus 1. Is the third quartile was the percentile of third quartile is a 75 divided by 100 into 20 is nothing but third quartile, right? So we are going with a what is the IQR? Is the IQR is equal to quartile 3 minus quartile 1 is nothing but what is a 7 minus 3 is a quartile 3, it's mean is a 7th position. Let's 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. This is the third quartile, right? This is equal to 4. So what is the lower fence? Lower fence is equal to quartile quartile 1. Quartile 1, it's mean 3 minus 1.5 into 4 is a 3 minus 3, and higher fence is equal to 7 minus 1.5, 4 is nothing but 13, right? This is the higher fence and lower fence. So we got it, the all the values, all the 5 values. What is the minimum value? We got a 5, all the 5 values is the minimum value is equal to 1, right? Is the first quartile is equal to 3, and third one is the median is equal to, what is the median? Is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 is a median, nothing but is a 5 plus 5, 10 divided by 2 is a 5, and fourth one is a third quartile is nothing but third quartile is a 7, and what is the maximum value? The maximum value is a 9. Is not considering the 27. Why? Because is a higher higher to outlier, so we are neglect them, right? So is a, what is the maximum value is a 9. That is the 5 number of summary.